Allegheny County Public Defender is running against District Attorney Stephen Zappala this fall, hoping to take over the job that he's held for 20 years. Lise Middleman is running as an independent candidate. Political editor John Delano sat down with her to discuss where she stands on some key issues.
Independent candidate Lise Middleman knows it's uphill, defeating District Attorney Stephen Zappala this November. But she is passionate about her cause.
I want to be district attorney because the criminal justice system is broken. You know, the outdated policies of the 90s don't work. They haven't worked for years.
A public defender with years of experience in criminal court defending those accused of homicide, the Highland Park native says prosecution can be more humane and fair.
We don't have to have criminal convictions for every misdeed. There are people in the jails that are suffering. They suffer from addiction, they suffer from mental illness, homelessness, joblessness, poverty. Those people need treatment and support, not criminal convictions.
Middleman has staked out strong positions on a number of issues, like no prosecution for marijuana possession.
It's a waste of time, energy, and effort to prosecute people for possession of marijuana. I would much rather use that time, energy, effort, and money to prosecute violent crime.
But Middleman also believes the DA over-prosecutes people of color.
50% of the people in the Allegheny County Jail are black, despite the fact that only 10 to 12% of the population in Allegheny County is black.
Is that because blacks commit more crimes than others? Middleman says no, and as DA, she will conduct studies to show that. If elected, she also will not cooperate with ICE or immigration officials.
I will not give them access to my files, absent a court order. I will not tell them or inform them if an individual involved in any case has a questionable immigration status.
And she strongly opposes the death penalty.
For moral, ethical, professional, financial reasons, I am opposed to the death penalty, yes.
Even in the case of those who shoot and kill police officers?
Yes.
Now, these are just a few of the many positions she has staked out on her campaign website. Another one, Middleman believes that those under 21, not 18, should be treated as juveniles, not adults, saying the age of legal responsibility should depend on brain development, which is not fully formed until the mid-20s. Now, as my colleague Andy Sheehan reported a couple weeks ago, Middleman has also been accused of striking or removing black jurors from a case when she represented a white teenager accused of promoting racist graffiti on a neighbor's home. New at 6 for the first time, Middleman responds on camera to the charge. Ken?
Look forward to that at 6. Thank you, John.